Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be changing a mirror on a 2019 GMC Sierra half ton. Pretty similar on a 3/4 ton too, same diff. So got a new mirror from GM here, and to remove the door panel to replace it. So you just got a 7mm bolt here, two 7mm underneath this little panel here. This just pops off. It's just couple clips, and then two 7mm bolts at the bottom, and then if you just pull in this corner, see these clips just pop out, and then at the very top there is some clips similar to that, so you just got to pull kind of straight out and should pop off. So once you get the clips off, you just push straight up, and then it just has a lip over this edge here, and then your mirror bolts are just in here. So you just undo this plug. So just 4 13mm nuts. When you're taking your last one out, just make sure it doesn't fall on you. Comes off of there. So the new one, this is a GM one. I think it was 170 bucks Canadian. Doesn't come with a mirror cap though, which I forgot to order one, but that just pops on after. It does come with a new gasket and everything, so pop her on. So just do them up, plug it in, put your cover back on, but and then also for your little lock, just before you put it on, stick it in there. Make sure you're lined up. Some of these clips are a little tricky, but if you just make sure they're lined up, they usually go back together pretty good. Let's get that installed. Should be good to go. Make sure your mirrors and they're good. Right on. Thanks for watching.